What's up, guys? Welcome back to another fishing outing. In this outing, I'll be fishing in conditions that are bright, sunny, and windy. So you'll get to see what baits I use to get these bass. Caught over a handful in this outing. This is my intro. I didn't do one beforehand. So guys, I hope you enjoy this. So stay tuned. Ooh, there we go. First bass. Little guy too. A little guy. Look at this little guy. Well, it's a start. All right, thank you, little buddy. There we go. That's a decent one. Oh, it got off. That was probably about 1.5 pounds right here. Shit. Woo! That is what I'm talking about. Nice. Here we go, second fish of the day off the LiveTarget spinnerbait here. Check that out, guys. He choked that big one. Nice. All right, thank you, little man. Oh, he wanted to go. Right, another little guy. Here we go. Check it out, guys. Another spinnerbait bass right here. Thank you. Skinny bass. Man, that's a dang. This thing swallowed up. Holy crap. Wow. Look at that, guys. This little bass swallowed this big ass swim bait. Dang. That thing would have filled his belly up. Little bass too. Look at that, guys. This little bass swallowed this big swim bait. Ruthless, I tell you. All right, little man. I definitely got hit there. Pull the minnow off a little bit. There we go. Ooh, the hook pricked me. All right, another same size bass. I guess I'll be catching these all day. I missed two bigger ones, but I'm happy I got these. All right, thank you, little man. Go tell your big brothers and sisters to come hang out with me. Jiggle, jiggle, jiggle. Definitely would not recommend standing on this unless you got extremely good balance. But even with that, man, you're just asking to be flipped. And watch a nice bass hit this. I'll be like, oh! Alright, let's try a whopper plopper. Haven't tried topwater at all here. So let's see if we can get a topwater bite here. Slightly windy conditions. So I don't know. Yeah, here we go. There we go. Whopper plopper bass. It ain't a whopper though, but I'll take it. I will take it. Don't you dare flip on me. Alright. Thank you, little man. He pulled back on me. All these little bass are aggressive. They've been attacking these moving baits a lot. Tried a worm. I had one good bite off of it, but it's all my fault. I had the drag set too loose, so when I set the hook, I didn't have a really good hook set, so the fish got off easily. But I haven't had a worm bite or Texas rig bite at all, so stuck with these spinner baits and underspins. That's what I've been getting the most action off of, but it's mostly these smaller guys. I did have one good bite, felt like a 2-3 pounder on an underspin. Was pulling some good drag. You guys seen that a little bit, but it shook off. I felt its head shaking quite a lot, and it won the battle. So still looking for today's chunk, but I don't know if I'll see it or not. I won't be out here too much longer though. Wow, you guys see that? Hey, caught me in the pants. Alright, another one off a waffle flopper here. Alright guys. No! Can't believe I lost that one. Jeez. That was a nice one. It was probably at least a 2-pounder. Dagnabbit. Alright guys, that wraps it up for my day here. Had a good, plentiful, action-packed day today off of topwater and bladed baits, spinner baits, underspins. Caught over a handful of bass off of each bait. Missed my biggest ones, 3 biggest ones. They were all over 2 pounds, nice little chunks. Fortunately, I couldn't pull them in for you guys or myself, but yeah, I can't believe I missed them. But hey, that happens. So guys, make sure you give a like, definitely subscribe for some more fishing action here, and yeah, I guess until next time guys, tight lines, keep fishing. Later.